Excessive crying is not common. It could be colic. Infantile colic is a leading cause of prolonged crying in newborns. It is linked to dysbiosis and gut inflammation. While conventional treatments like gripe water, simethicone, or dicyclomine often provide only temporary symptomatic relief. Treat the root cause in infantile colic. Protectis with Lactobacillus reuteri DSM 17938 helps reduce inflammation and pain, improves gastric motility, and corrects gut dysbiosis. Backed by Indian clinical studies, it reduces crying time by 79% in just 21 days and lowers maternal depression scores by 63%. Science-led relief for colic, recommended by global experts. Protectis, treat the root cause.